Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Brooklyn checking out Brighton Beach, known for its boardwalk cafes and its beach as well. Brighton Beach is mostly known for its high population of Russian-speaking immigrants. New York City is home to the largest Russian and Russian-speaking population in the Western Hemisphere. The largest Russian communities in New York being Brighton Beach, as well as Sheepshead Bay, which is also in Brooklyn. Brighton Beach is nicknamed Little Odessa after the large city of Odessa in the Ukraine. It's a great place to visit if you're looking for something different. With regards to culture, there's some great shopping and eating along Brighton Beach Avenue, and oh yeah, don't forget the suntan oil with the beautiful beach just blocks away. Let's check it out.
This New York video is brought to you by Amazon Home Services, a new and simple way to schedule professional services for your home such as home cleaning, plumbing, carpentry, electrical work, handyman work, and much, much more. Simply schedule online by clicking the link below. Top-rated service providers in your area are listed, and they've been through rigorous background checks such as license, insurance, and they even do a criminal background check. Service pros will compete for your business based on price, quality, and availability. All services are backed by Amazon's happiness guarantee. If you're not satisfied, Amazon will make sure the job gets done right. There's no sign-ups or subscriptions required. Next time you need work done around the home, just click on the link below and check it out. Don't forget to look for Cabby, who always makes a cameo appearance in all my 4K videos. Sometimes he's easy to spot, other times not so much. Be the first to comment on the timestamp where Cabby is, and I'll give you a shout out on my next video.
Я приїхала на суд.
Два билета мне показалось.
Я позвоню своей подружке, она где-то...
Они не сразу десятка читала, симпатически сделали. Они если будут тут, там, на перечисле, я тебе еще добавлю. Не так 2 сутки вокруг. Она порядочная. Она мне дала карточку. Написано.
This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out.